Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I wanted to hop on here and share with you my Boxycharm box that I got for the month of September. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what I got this month. All right, you guys, if you are following Boxycharm, they do give you a couple of hints. I try not to see it, but it's sometimes there. So okay, so for this month it is Boxycharm All Access. Super cute. So it's kind of like Hollywood, I guess. And here is all the descriptions here for what I got. So if you're a Boxycharmer, comment down below, let me know what you got and what you want to receive. And also, if you are interested in one, in the description down below, I'm going to go ahead and link it where you can get yours at. And I think if you sign up this month, you can get the Becca Hydrating Powder. I love it. I'm so obsessed with it. Okay, so the first thing I see is this. It's from Dr. Brandt, and it's the Biotic Recovering Sleeping Mask. Let's see, it says deeply hydrates and moisturizes to reduce redness and signs of irritation. So let's see, recovering, apply mask to clean dry skin before bedtime, do not rinse, and use nightly. Okay. Let's open it up, it smells good. Like a cream. I'm not sure if you can see that. It's like a cream. I'm definitely going to be trying this. Okay. So let's read a little bit about it. So the Biotic Recovering Sleeping Mask. It says a hydrating recovery sleeping mask that balances skin's naturally occurring flora and looks in moisture overnight to reduce redness and soothe the signs of irritation. I'm definitely going to be trying this out. And for this recovering sleeping mask, this retails for $52. And I'm excited to try it out. Okay, so the next thing in here that I see is this right here, this palette from Voss. It's called the Essentials Eyeshadow Palette. And let's see these colors. Oh, pretty. Not sure if you can see them, but look at those colors, you guys. Perfect. Perfect for fall and autumn. Can't wait to try those colors out. So on this palette, let's see, it says provides revamped essential shades and an equal number of breathtaking mattes and metallics, so you can create the most fashion-forward neutral colors. The Essential palette was designed for everyday use in a stunning mix of warm and cool toned shade for countless color combination. Rethink essentials and effortless take your look from day to night. Achieve a soft glam or go bold with a pop of color. The choice is yours. So let's go ahead and swatch these. Okay, so the first one is cream. Right here. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that. And then the next one is sand. Sand. It's more of a neutral color. Then the next one is terracotta. And this one goes right here. Oh wow, that's pretty. And then the next one is gold, which is gonna go here. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that color, you guys. And then the next one is emerald. Look how beautiful these colors are. And then the next one we have is pink. And then the next one is Dusty Rose, like Adam Levine's daughter. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. Okay. And then the next one is Plum Berry. Oh, wow, that's gorgeous. Look at that, you guys. Okay, so then the second to the last is called Cinnamon, which is right here. Oh, look at that. It's beautiful. And then last but not least is going to be Black. Beautiful. These are the colors. Those are really beautiful, especially for, like I said, autumn. You can come up with so many colors for this. And this palette retails for $29, you guys. Okay, that is done. So let's see what else we got. So the next thing I see is this right here. And it's it's called the brand is Moda or Moda 5-piece brush set. And it's an eye set. I have been wanting to get one. I just didn't know which one to get, and I'm excited to try this out. So let's open it up and see what we got. Ooh, and they're nice and like they have some weight to them. I have the names on them. I'm not sure if you can see them. Shade, crease, detail, smudge, and then the line. I'm excited to try them. They seem very soft. Moda or Moda? I'm not sure. Moda? Moda. Moda. Who knows? Comment down below if I'm saying it right. Okay, Moda Pro takes Moda to the next level. This line featured superior quality filaments and modern professional shapes. Use the kit to create endless on trend eye looks. Okay, and this one retails for $27.95. So excited. Two more things. Let's see. This one is Hank & Henry Blickity Black Eyeliner. Okay, let's open it up and see. Wow. This one introducing our latest addition to the Slick with a line of eye products. Our eyeliner is a vegan liquid formula that dries down to a satin matte finish. This formula is extremely long wearing and transfer resistant, which is perfect for those with hooded eyelids. This one retails for $20. And it does seriously go from satin to matte, because look at it now. It's completely dry now. And it went from shiny to matte. Last but not least is this one here. It's the $Billion Brow, the Microblade Effect Brow Pen. Look at that, that's beautiful. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's beautiful. So that is it. Those are my 5 items that I received from Boxycharm. I love all of it. I can't wait to start playing with that palette. And keep a lookout for my Boxycharm September try-on, because I'll be posting it right after this one's up. So it should come out the very next day or the day after. But that's it, you guys. I just wanted to share that with you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Comment down below. Let me know which one was your favorite product, and or which products you received in your Boxycharm box. And we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.